welcome to the skaters. So let's have a read of this together. So they wait, silence descends. Out of the blackness, a spotlight shines moon yellow. I glimpse them as though they too are carved from ice. Let's read that again. They wait, silence descends. Out of the blackness, a spotlight shines moon yellow. I glimpse them as though they too are carved from ice. Let's go on to the second stanza now. Then arm in arm, they glide with such ease across the shiny ice. As one they spin, leap, twirl, land, each with graceful turn, without a move of their own. They merge united, one mind, one body, one dance. What a beautiful poem. This poem is based on these two ice skaters. And again, with poetry, it's very subjective and it could mean what you think it possibly means. But in this case, we're just going to focus on some of the basics of this poem in terms of answering some of the questions based on this poem. So have a good go. And in our next class, we'll go through these questions together. Good luck.